Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, business owner, or social media manager, you know how difficult it is to manage everything by yourself. Every single day, you have to research new ideas, write captions, create images or videos, schedule posts, publish them on multiple platforms, monitor analytics, and even reply to emails. Honestly, handling all of that manually takes a lot of time. But what if one AI agent could take care of almost everything for you with just a few simple clicks? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. In this video, we're taking a look at SureThing AI, an AI agent that can create your content, schedule it, publish it across multiple social media platforms, monitor your performance, and even help manage your emails, all from one place. If you're new to SureThing, you'll also receive 1,650 free AI credit, 1,000 for creating a new account, 150 every day you sign in, plus another 500 when you register through the link in my description or pinned comment. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for SureThing AI, or simply visit surething.io. Click Get Started and sign in using your Google or Apple account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the homepage where you'll find several pre-built AI agents designed for different tasks. You can either build your own custom AI agent or simply choose one of the ready-made templates. For this tutorial, we'll select the social media automation agent. The setup is really simple. Just tell SureThing what your business or content is about, who your target audience is, and what type of content you'd like it to create. For example, I'll enter AI tools and productivity as my niche. Next, choose the type of content you want the AI to generate: text posts, image posts, short videos, or all of them. I'll simply select all and continue. Now it's time to connect your social media accounts. SureThing supports platforms like X, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, Facebook, Telegram, and more. Simply click Connect, authorize your account, and you're ready to go. One thing I really like is that every platform supports connecting multiple accounts. So if you're managing multiple brands, businesses, or clients, you can control everything from a single workspace instead of switching between accounts. Once everything is connected, click Continue. Even before the setup is complete, SureThing starts working for you. It researches your niche and automatically generates complete social media drafts, including captions, hashtags, images, and even short-form videos. Every draft can be reviewed before publishing. You can approve it, edit it, or discard it completely. As SureThing performs different actions, you'll clearly see its responses and progress on the screen, making it easy to understand exactly what the AI is doing. Now, let's automate publishing. Instead of manually uploading content every day, simply type a command like publish one YouTube short, one X post, and one Instagram post every day at 10 p.m. That's all. SureThing creates an automated workflow that publishes your content automatically. It can even write posts in your own style so your content still sounds natural and consistent with your brand. Need fresh content ideas every day? Simply ask, find trending topics related to my niche every morning at 9 a.m. SureThing automatically researches trending topics and delivers new content ideas daily, saving you hours of manual research. Now, I'll simply give it a command to publish all the approved drafts. Within moments, SureThing automatically publishes the generated posts and short videos to my connected social media accounts. As you can see, everything is now live, all from a single command. Another feature I really like is the ability to create your own dashboard. Instead of checking analytics on every platform individually, simply type something like, build me a dashboard showing all my posts, mentions, engagement, and account performance. Within seconds, SureThing builds a live dashboard where you can monitor everything from one place. SureThing isn't limited to social media. It can also build an AI-powered email management system. For example, you can ask it to monitor incoming emails, organize them, and even draft replies to your clients automatically. This can save a huge amount of time if you're running a business or managing multiple projects. Now I've connected my email account to SureThing. From here, I can manage everything in one place, view my emails, send replies, organize my inbox, and handle my email workflow without switching between different apps. This means SureThing doesn't just generate content, it actually completes the entire workflow from content creation to publishing. Overall, SureThing makes social media automation incredibly simple. Instead of spending hours creating content, scheduling posts, tracking analytics, and managing emails, you can let one AI agent handle it all from one place. Plus, SureThing is offering my viewers 10 exclusive free AI consulting spots for founders, business owners, and teams looking to use AI more effectively. If you're interested, check out the AI consulting link in the description before the spots are gone. And don't forget, new users can also claim 1,650 free AI credits, 1,000 for creating an account, 150 every day you sign in, and an extra 500 when you register using the link in my description or pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and let me know in the comments which SureThing feature you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.